Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to create a makeup look with all my favorite product at Guerlain. I feel like Guerlain is sometimes a bit like overseen, but it's a shame because honestly, Guerlain is such an absolute beautiful brand that everything I've never come across a product at Guerlain that I've never actually liked. So let me start right away. I've already applied my primer. I'm using the Parure Gold Skin Double Veil, and this one has SPF 50 in it. I know it's not a product that works on everyone. I think if you have a very dark skin, it might actually leave a little bit of a white cast onto you because it's a very creamy product. It's really nice on my skin because it does leave my skin it unifies my skin tint, and it's really hydrating, and it kind of leaves a little bit of a, I'm not gonna say a layer, but it creates a very smooth base for my foundation. Now I'm gonna go with my foundation that is the Parure Skin Gold as well in the matte finish. I think if you're looking to splurge and have a foundation that makes your skin look like $1,000,000, this is it. It's quite close to Chanel Le Teint Ultra, but this one I think it's got even more, a little bit of a velvet finish to it. So I'm gonna go and apply this one, and I'm using shade 3 Neutral. It might actually be a little bit dark for my skin at the moment, since I usually use it more in the summer months. Let's see, shouldn't be too bad. I can always correct it anyway with a little bit of light concealer. Speaking of foundation, Victoria Beckham has launched her new foundation drops. It looks to me like it's more of a skin tint than a foundation, but it is in a foundation category. It's got the Augustinus Bader TFC 8 skincare into it. So obviously the more you use it, the more benefit you get from it. Is it something you guys are keen to see a review? Are you planning on purchasing it? So it retails here at £94, which I think is a little bit punchy for a foundation, but equally, if there's skincare into it, I guess it's it's worth it. I don't know. You guys tell me. And if there is a lot of people that are saying, yes, I'm gonna pick one and do a review, it's not necessarily something that I would, I don't know. I saw her applying it on a video on Instagram. It looked to give you a really nice velvety, like it's not a skin tint that is just glowy and doesn't set. It looks to be quite matte natural with a light coverage. I don't know, I'm intrigued. So that is the foundation, very easy to apply. I'm using my It Cosmetic brush. I quite like this brush, and I've used 2 pumps for my face. Concealer is pretty simple. It's the Terracotta Concealer. I'm using shade 2 Neutral, and this concealer is gonna give you a very soft airbrush powdery finish. I quite like it. It has never creased on me. It's such a safe concealer, honestly, and I usually let it sit for a few, like a minute or two, just so it can just set a little bit onto my skin, and then I just smudge it and play with it. So I've got my concealer brush, just gonna play with it. So I've let it sit for like 2 minutes, I would say. I have been using recently a few new skincare products, especially Korean beauty product, and I have to say I am so surprised with the quality and the result, and honestly they are not expensive product. These drops, it's a serum that I apply in the morning, and it really makes your skin just glow and looking so healthy. I mean, I have a matte foundation, and look at how beautiful my skin is. Like, you do have a very natural glow. I don't know, it's obviously just not just that product, but I am really liking the new product. I'll do a full review on those new product, but I just wanted to put it here. So if you guys want to try it, I think I may have gotten it at Sephora if I'm not mistaken. Going to set my makeup. Well, this is not from Guerlain. It's probably one of the only things that I don't have, that I don't use at Guerlain. Obviously, I have my loose setting powder, but I'm such a fan of this powder, the Givenchy Prisme Libre. This is the compact powder in Voile Rosé. And see how there's not even a crease on the concealer. Just making sure it's completely into my skin like this. I'm gonna use my powder puff and come in here, powdering under. It brings a really nice luminosity as well. And now with the loose powder, so what I do, I have a loose fluffy brush. I just go in, just collect a very small amount, and then onto the lid, I press it into the brush and literally just press it onto my face. So you are setting your foundation, but it's not gonna give you a complete, you know, matte, cakey look. You're really just pressing the powder, and you'll retain a little bit more of that really nice radiance and luminosity, but everything is set into place. Obviously you could use a powder puff and completely set it, but it's gonna give you a whole different look. I feel like this technique makes your skin looking a little bit more like skin. Like, see how you still see the luminosity. Your skin looks like skin, even if you're wearing a matte foundation. I'm going to add some bronzer. So this is the En Plein Soleil, the bronzing powder. This was from the holiday collection last year, if I am not mistaken. I have a big fluffy loose brush. I'm gonna add some bronzer, and I feel like at Guerlain, the products are always, you've got a good pigment, but it's never over the top pigmented. That gives you always a very elegant look. You can't really go wrong. Just going quite, you know, large and loose. For my blush, I'm going to use the Nude Deep shade. These came out last year and I have every single shade. The only one that I don't have is the red one that came out this summer. I might just add it to the collection just for, you know, for the sake of having all the shades. I think it's a very inclusive collection. You've got some very light shade, you've got some much darker shade, and it's such a beautiful blush. I'm not applying too much. I'm gonna see once I've done the eyes if I need to do some touch up. Just gonna add some here for now, and then we'll see. For my eyes, I'm using one of the latest palettes. So this is Birdie Beige, and I absolutely love this palette. It's such a classic. This is timeless, if you ask me. And so I'm gonna start by using the shade here, the Iridescence shade. It's kind of a taupe. It's not mauve, it's not beige, it's not gray. It's just a beautiful shade. I have to apologize for the hair look. You know, some days you just kind of put your hair in a tub bun and you kind of forget about it. And also it is really early here in the morning. I am on coffee number 1. The cats woke me up super early and couldn't go back to sleep, so I figured might as well get up, get ready for the day. And while I'm getting ready, I am filming a little makeup tutorial, so trying to, you know, multitask, and honestly I'm just in my happy place, so all good. And as you can see, baby girl is still fast asleep in her bedroom, so everyone is happy. And well, my husband is not here. He is traveling because he travels pretty much every week. So I'm not, I'm not waking up anyone. Everyone is happy. I'm going to use this shade here. It's kind of a brownish, a little bit of purple into it, just into the crease, very softly, adding more of a nice shadow. See how it just adds a really nice shadow. You still have that super iridescent look. And I'm going to do the same thing onto the other eye and add a fine line of black liquid eyeliner. Makeup is almost done. It's looking quite nice. So I got carried away with my black eyeliner. I know I said I was gonna do a fine line, but honestly, like almost every single time, and I use liquid eyeliner almost every day, I just get carried away. I cannot for the life of me just do a very thin line. I don't know if it's because I've got like big eyes and I've got space to play, but like I can't be the only one. I'm sure it happens to you as well. I wanted a very fine, like it's not a huge line, but it's kind of, going. Finishing powder, I'm going to use Les Perles Meteorites. So this is the shade 03 Warm. I really like this one. It's got a really nice tone to it. So I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. So my birthday is coming, and my husband was like, well, what do you want for your birthday? So I think I might ask him like product that, like brushes, something that are like the Guerlain brush for the Meteorite is absolutely beautiful. Something that I wouldn't necessarily purchase myself. I feel like I've got, got a smudge of something here. I don't know, maybe, or like a new perfume or something. I'm not too sure. Unless we go somewhere like a weekend away or an experience. I don't know, I'm still debating. I think we're gonna do dinner anyway. Dinner, or actually I would love to do a breakfast or a brunch. We haven't done that, it's so long. I might do that, I don't know. Right, and for my lips, my hair are completely crazy today, guys. It is unbelievable. For my lips, this is not Guerlain, and I do not have any lip liner from Guerlain. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury, the Jewel, and I know I was really on the fence when these came out. It's like, what's the point of these and blah, blah, but actually I have been using them quite a bit. I really like them. And so I'm going to use the shade today, Fair. Oh, I can hear baby girl onto the monitor. Someone's just woken up. And I'm going to top up my lips with the Kiss Kiss Big Glow in Pearly Rose. This came out quite recently, and it's giving such a beautiful glow. Right, this is the final look, and it's looking a little bit better with hair not in a crazy top knot. I absolutely love Guerlain. Honestly, guys, if you're looking to splurge, you want products that are going to stay by your side. They're such reliable products. They are beautiful. They're not necessarily like there's always new collection, but I think they are timeless products. You can be any age, it doesn't matter where, when, how. They are products that will just work, deliver. They last super long. Like flawless makeup. It's nothing too crazy over the top. I think it's a very feminine, elegant makeup look, and I absolutely love the product. That is it for me on today's video. So I can hear baby girl on the baby monitor. She's just chatting away. She's literally like a chatterbox. Anyway, I will be listing down below all the products that I've used on today's makeup look. I'm gonna go for coffee number 2 because it's only 10 minutes past 7. And I'm gonna get the day started. We're going to the crash this morning. That means I get to go to the gym, and then do a little bit of work, and husband's coming home later. So happy family, happy days. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.